How to disable the dark mode on your Facebook application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily turn off your dark mode on your Facebook application. So first thing first, simply head over to your Facebook application, and once you're inside your Facebook application, simply click on your profile section at the top right corner. And once you come over here, simply head over to your settings, and inside settings simply click on settings one more time. When you click on settings, you will see the option called dark mode. As you can see here, simply click on it and you will get the option to either turn it off so that it completely changes to white, or you can also use the system settings, that means your mobile, which will adjust your appearance based on your device's system settings. In my case it's set to black, so it doesn't change anything. So what you can do is simply turn it off, and as you can see, you have successfully turned off or disabled the dark mode on your Facebook account. So that's it guys, that's exactly how you can disable your dark mode on Facebook account, Facebook application. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.